How to change to cash account on Robinhood 2025. You're here because you seek control to untangle from the digital threads of instant gratification and margin. Let's strip away the complexity. First, launch the Robinhood application. Navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the account icon, often represented by a silhouette or a person. From the account screen, locate and tap on Menu or Settings, sometimes depicted as 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Within the Settings menu, you'll need to find Investing or Account Type. This is where the true nature of your account is revealed. You'll likely see your current account type displayed, possibly Robinhood Instant or Robinhood Gold. These offer immediate access to funds and, in Gold's case, margin. To move to a cash account, you must explicitly select this option. Look for Switch to Cash Account or a similar prompt. Be warned, they don't always make it obvious. Understand the implications. A cash account means you operate solely with settled funds. No instant buying power for recent deposits, no margin trading, no interest on borrowed funds. Trades will settle T+2, meaning funds from a sale won't be immediately available for another purchase. This forces discipline, a slower, more deliberate approach to your investments. Review any pop-up messages carefully. Robinhood will likely present disclaimers about losing instant buying power or margin features. Confirm your decision. This change isn't always instant. It might take a business day or two to process fully. Once confirmed, your account status will reflect the change to a cash account. You've now shed the illusion of instant liquidity for the stark reality of actual capital. This method holds true for 2025. While interfaces may subtly shift, the underlying path to disentangle remains consistent. For more unsentimental guides to navigating the digital markets, consider this knowledge gained. This is Learn Mode Lab.